What's up, y'all? Take a look at what I did to my work truck. That door right there is nice, but that's not even what we're here for. I got tired of wasting time looking through a mess of tools just to find one tiny little bit or one tiny little screw, and I made a solution. When you work in the oil field or any other industry that requires you to have a wide variety of tools, organization is key. Not only are these tools easy to find, but they're also hard to lose because when everything has a place, you're going to notice when something's missing. So if y'all like these, if you think it'll benefit you, drop a comment, hit me with a like, let me know what y'all think.